Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can scrap the audience from the Instagram location. Yes, with Instagram locations you can target the audience who tag a particular location when they post it on Instagram. And so especially people tag locations when they are traveling somewhere, they are eating somewhere, and when they are attending some event. So if you're in these spaces, then Instagram location filter criteria could be very useful to you. So let's create a campaign. And this time, if I scroll down, I'll choose the Instagram audience by location. And you can see there is this location URL where you can find and explore locations across the countries, across the world. So for example, United Kingdom, I will find a good location to target. So London. So people visit or travel London a lot. So I'll take this as a location URL and send them the follow request. I'll choose my Instagram account. So I'm not using any filter criteria based on the keywords and the number of followers, and I'll start my campaign. That's it. So as I start my campaign, it takes about 10 minutes to start scanning the audience as always, and when it starts scanning and sending out the message request or follow request, I'll be right back. Hello, welcome back. So now you can see that my campaigns are running, and you can see 16 profiles found based on the location that I used, the London location. So this campaign will start sending out the follow request as well pretty soon. So that's it from this video, and I will see you in the next one.